Detox is needed and boosting like it's your job. And it is. There's a lot you can do that won't cost any money. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things to do that will help you, not only because it's just great to get those toxins out, but specifically the ones like that I like to boost your immune system right now. And right now, in this moment in history, we have got to stay immune strong. We have a personal responsibility to do that. In this video, I want you to look at these things, these 5 things, and ask yourself, are you doing them? Are you creating a plan so that you can stay immune strong? Part of that plan needs to be pulling these toxins. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you love this information and share these videos out. We are all in this together, but we're not all in this together because of masks and social distancing. We're all in this together in mindset. That's all. We all have a responsibility to ourselves and to the people around us to stay immune strong, so we stop the spread of the virus. And these 5 things are crucial. So, first one, super easy, but also a little complicated. Stop toxifying yourself. Before you get fancy with detox, make sure you're looking at your food and you're eating whole foods and you're reading labels. And does your food have toxins in them? Are you cleaning with toxic cleaners? Are you just doing stuff to disrupt your skin? Are you living in a house that's got mold? What's going on in your environment? Look at your toxic load and stop bringing toxins in there. And a great resource for this is an environmental working group website that has great resources, and Think Dirty app. You can scan your products and find out how toxic they are. So the number 1 key to detoxing, to build your immune system back up, is make sure you're not putting toxins in, okay? Number 2, fasting. I'm going to tell you, I think you need to fast at least 17 hours to be able to stimulate autophagy, so that you can turn your intelligence on to either clean up the cellular damage that happened from toxins or stimulate something which caused cell death, which cells that are no longer serving you. So 17 hours, fast at least every day, except when you're stepping out for a feast day. Yum, yum. Number 2, green vegetables. Think of your green vegetables in general as like a street cleaner. So it will help the breakdown of toxic estrogen, really important for those of us going through menopause. You also, with the green leaves, the green leafy stuff, specifically if you are sulfur-rich foods like raw broccoli and Brussels sprouts, you're going to raise your lutein levels. So bring your veggies up at specifically the green so that you can assist the liver and the gut delivering the natural detoxing for you. Okay, number 4, I love it, sleep. Now something happens when you sleep that we don't talk about much or enough. Ventricles of your brain actually shrink at night, so cerebral fluid can come up through your spine and nourish your brain and pull the toxins out. That is how brilliantly designed we are. So make sure you're getting good solid sleep. Go to bed early, get up later, and make sure that you're allowing that brain to detoxify. So we're at number 5. There, I do believe you have done, if you've done 1 through 4, this is the time to lean into some of those supplements to assist your detox protocol. I'm a believer that lifestyle should keep you healthy, but supplements should be used in a temporary moment to be able to pull out any interference that's slowing down the intelligence of the body. So that if you've been doing that, like the light detox that I talked about, now is the time to move deeper into the detox so you can live a life you can naturally detox and maximize the intelligence in your body. And you create the scenario where you turn on the immune system like nobody's business. So that's where I come in and assist in any way I can. www.yourhypnotic.com or social media at Sugarfreelaura. Okay, that's all for now. May your day be filled with love and satisfaction. Namaste. Bye.